Hey everybody, how are you? Oh, that's not good. Um, Sorry, I'm looking a bit like a stunned goat because we've been having power cuts all day, and I'm really surprised that I seem to have found a little slot where we have power, which means we have internet, which means I'm here with you live. Hello! So, hello everybody, welcome to hashtag Tuesday Top Tips. Today we're talking about product demos. What does that mean? How can you do it? What are the top 3 things you need to remember when demoing your product on screen? I am going to keep this under 15 minutes as always, and if you're with me live, please do say hello. Pop a little hello in the comments or even an emoji. Be lovely to know that you're with me. And if you're on replay, then please put replay in the comments. Lovely. I've just realised I haven't closed the door, so bear with me 1 second. Okie. So, the product demo. Oh no, I'm making it worse. What's going on? The product demo. Well, as it sounds. Oh no, now my lighting's gone weird. Oh. Hello, internet gods. Please spare us. Now I'm blue. Okay. I'm going to crack on anyway. So, a product demo is demonstrating the product that you're selling, as simple as it sounds. And whether that is a crystal, a pen, spectacles, flowers, cookies, jewellery, soap, makeup, hair products, handbags, whatever it is, there are some things you need to remember when you're demoing your product. My number 1 ingredient is you, and it's always going to be you, and I'm always going to bang on about you being in the video with your product. Yes, I'm afraid so. Now, of course, there's lots of product demos out there that don't have a person in them at all. They're just a narration and a beautiful sort of shots of, diamond rings or Maggi mixes or whatever it is. But I think for you as a small business, as a makeup manufacturer or retailer, you need to be in the video showing us your product. Yes, please. We need to know what solution the product offers. That's really important. So because there's so many things you can say, right, about a product. There's design, there's manufacture, there's suppliers, there's sourcing ingredients, there's what am I thinking of? Consistency, technology. You could just probably talk endlessly about your product, and particularly if it's something that you make yourself. So let's keep it brief and let's focus on the solution that your product offers. So what do I mean by that? Well, think about your customers' pain points, and we all know that, don't we? You have to think about the customer's pain points, why they are coming to you, what is the problem that they are looking to solve with your product. So that's what you need to show us. And for me, I would start with that. That's the most important thing you can say. Here is my lotion for dry skin. All of my ladies out there with dry skin, anybody suffering from, the winter cold, menopause, whatever it is, here is your magical product for dry skin. Which it actually is, isn't it? Water. Oh dear, amusing myself. So we need to see you. Obviously, we need to see the product, and we need to know what problem the product solves. Really, really important. Then what I need to do is I need to see you using the product. Yes, I do. So even if it's, say, a moisturizer, and maybe you don't want to put it on your face, but put it on your hand, that's fine. If it's a handbag, then show us you opening it up, you're doing the zips and everything. We want it to be kind of tactile. And this is really important now that we're all shopping online and doing kind of virtual shopping, because one of the beautiful things about shopping in real life is obviously that you can pick things up and feel them. But the next best thing is to see you doing that. So whatever your product is, please hold it, sniff it, open it, apply it, zip it, unzip it, whatever it is that you're doing. Let's see you using the product. I think that's really important. So then you need to also keep it brief. So I know that probably some of you, for example, sell skincare and makeup, and as I said earlier, you could probably go on and on about how fantastic it is, but try and choose a maximum of 3 things that you're going to say about that product. If you really do desperately want to talk more about it, then go and make another video, make a whole series of videos, make a playlist, but don't bombard us with information. So tell us, show us you, show us the product, tell us the problem that the product solves, and then let's see you using the product. That's pretty much it. You may want to mention if it has a specific ingredients, or perhaps something specific in terms of its manufacture, or the materials, or the suppliers. But really, we just want to see, what does the product look like? How does it feel, even on the screen? And how do you use it? And I think that's plenty for a video. I want to talk also very briefly about the CTA, because lots of people get hung up on a CTA. So the CTA is your call to action. It's what you want people to do after they've seen your video. Now, presumably after a product video, you're going to want them to easily click to buy, because let's hope that your audience are all totally swayed by your enthusiasm and your passion, and they're like, oh, now I can see what it looks like, I can almost smell it, I know it solves my problem, where do I get it? So this is really important. You need to make it super simple for people to click to buy. The more clicks they have to do on the journey to buying the product, the more likely you are to lose them along the way. Several things you can do to help yourself. First of all, repeat the name of the product many times, so that even if they don't catch where to buy, they can still remember to come and look. Even if it's a short video, repetition is key. If you possibly can, add a link where they can buy it. That is the easiest thing. Whether you're Etsy, Amazon, you've got a bespoke website, please add in underneath the video or in the video description, depending on what platform you're on, the link to buy that product. And at the end, all you simply need to say is, click the link to buy. That's simple. Now, what happens is that we get all overexcited or nervous and start to say things like, and if you have any questions, you can message me here, and this is my email, and then you can WhatsApp me, and then you can go to my Facebook page, and suddenly we're bombarded with information. No. Let's just keep it simple. The other temptation then is that once you've said, please click the link below to buy, you then want to go into the, and we'll deliver for free, or it'll take 4 to 5 days, or, and if you don't like it, here's the returns policy, and again, don't. All of that is something we can find out as a buyer, as a viewer later on, if we're really interested. And we can even find you and where to ask you questions if we're really interested. But what you want to do is you want to capture those people who are ready to buy by making it super easy for them. So something amazing to say would be, here's my hydrating skincare, And today we've got this amazing offer on. It's 10% off. You just need to click the link to buy. Done. Maybe not that fast. I've always told people to slow down. Slow down. Okay, I feel like I'm running against time here because we're going to have another power cut any minute. So I'm just going to recap on the really important points. Okay, first of all, you need to be in your product demo video. Obviously, we need to see the product itself, but what we really want to know is what problem does it solve? What pain point does it address? Why do I need to buy this product to help my problems? Just find a solution. Tell me where to click to buy. Give me something to do, give me a short instruction and make it super simple. Click to buy. And finally, repeat the name of the product. Yes, you can use your name, your business name, the brand name, but the name of the product is really, really important. So I would say the name a minimum of 3 times. Beginning, middle and end, if you wish. And that's it. Remember, the product demo video is not a kind of detailed description. It's more of a high level overview of what this product, I mean the fact that this product even exists. Here we are, here's a magical product that will solve all your dry skin problems. I love using it. I'm just putting it on my hand there. You can see how quickly it soaks in. And I'm delighted to tell you that today we've got a 10% discount offer on Ovive dry skin products. You simply need to click the link to buy. Now, I hope that's been useful for you. I can understand if you feel, because I've banged on a lot about skincare and beauty products and so on, do you have a different sort of product? Do you have a different idea of demonstrating it? I would really love to know, because I love to get my head around the best way to demo your product. So if I haven't mentioned your niche, your industry, your sector, if I haven't mentioned your product specifically, then please do put something in the comments and say, well, how do I demo this, for example? And I would love to help you solve that problem. Now, I hope, I'm so worried about the internet going off. I hope, oh hey Holly Ann, yay! Oh, thank you so much, you're very, very kind. Yes, oh, Holly Ann's got books, I haven't mentioned books. So the thing to remember about books, if you're demoing a book, is obviously to have the writing the right way round. I know it sounds really obvious, but sometimes, depending on what device you're using, everything can be mirrored. So make sure that if you're demoing something with writing on it, that it is the right way around for the audience. And I love what Holly Ann does in her videos, is that she reads a bit of the book, so we can see the book cover, and then she sort of looks down, has a little read, tells us a little bit about it. Perfect, love that. If we can also at the same time have a sort of screen share of an actual page, even better. But I understand that's not always possible. I hope this has given you some ideas, some inspiration. I'd really love you to go out there and start practicing your product demos, because that's, you know, you've got to start somewhere. And if you want to, always post them here in the group and we'll come and have a look and we'll give you some feedback and say, yes, brilliant, or the CTA wasn't clear, I wasn't sure what you wanted me to do, and you know, what was the problem that it solved again? Honestly, we're all lovely and kind, so come and post your demo videos here whenever you wish. And obviously now is the perfect time. It's leading up to Christmas. People need to know your products and know what they do. So I would crack on and get on with your product demo videos. I'm aware that time is ticking on. Thank you so much for being with me. If you're here on a replay, press replay, and remember, show yourself, show your product, talk about the problem it solves, repeat the name, give us a clear call to action. That's actually 5 things, not 3. Anyway, I'm going to go. Love you lots. Thanks for being here. See you soon.